Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best adjustable dumbbells that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. This dumbbell comes in a set of 2 which has a combined weight of 95 pounds. This means that each dumbbell weighs 52.5 pounds, which can be adjusted from 5 pounds up to 52.5 pounds with an increment rate of 2.5 pounds. It also features a dial that enables one to easily adjust the weights up to 25 pounds. These dumbbells have up to 15 sets of the weight that allows one to not only save on storage space but also undertake several workouts with just one unit. It has a 2-year warranty that also covers its parts. With just the turn of a dial you can automatically change your resistance from 5 pounds, all the way up to 52.5 pounds of weight. No more picking up 30 different dumbbells to get the results you want. These adjustable dumbbells replace 15 sets of weights. All you need is 2 SelectTech 552 dumbbells to transform your body for good. Compatible with the free Bowflex SelectTech training app for iOS and Android. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bowflex SelectTech 1090 Adjustable Dumbbell. This is one dumbbell that enables you to undertake multiple exercises using only one unit. It does the work that can be done by several dumbbells and can be adjusted from 10 up to 90 pounds. The incremental range is 5 pounds. The adjustment procedure is easy because one only needs to twist a dial that has been included in the equipment. It also features a well-designed handle that fits comfortably to the hand's curvature. Among the various workouts that can be performed by this dumbbell includes strength exercises, toning exercises, and heavy leg lifts. Just like all Bowflex SelectTech dumbbells, with just the turn of a dial you can automatically change your resistance from 10 pounds, all the way up to 90 pounds, of weight. No more picking up 17 different sets of dumbbells to give you the results you want. At number 3, we have the one pair of adjustable dumbbells kits. This is a dumbbell that has a total weight of 200 pounds and comes in 2 pieces. Each piece weighs 100 pounds and can be adjusted from 5 pounds up to 100 pounds with an adjustment increment rate of 5 pounds. This dumbbell has different types of weights combined, which include 2 5-pound collars, 2 5-pound plates, 8 10-pound plates, and 2 2.5 pounds plates. These plates are durable because they are fabricated from cast iron. The handles have been beautifully designed by a strong chrome construction. Setting up the equipment is easy because one does not require any kind of tools to do it. This set consists of a pair of brand new 200 pounds 100 pounds by 2% adjustable dumbbells 10 pounds by 16%, 5 pounds by 4%, 2.5 pounds by 4%, handle by 2%, collar by 2%. Not everyone who is interested in getting a better body through strength training has the necessary room in their home for a dozen or more sets of dumbbells. This adjustable and versatile dumbbell kit is small, convenient, and easy to store. You will be able to perform the widest variety of exercises by working out with varying weights. The kit is simply the best and a must-have. At number 2, we have the PowerBlock SportBlock 2.4 Adjustable Dumbbells. This is a set of dumbbells that are made with strength training exercise in mind. It comes in 2 pieces, with each piece being able to adjust from 3 pounds up to 24 pounds with a 3-pound increment rate. The adjustment is made possible by a selector pin which makes it easy to operate the equipment. It is a compact-sized piece of fitness equipment that saves on space. Furthermore, its weight distribution in the hands of the user is remarkable. The handles are also well designed and paddled to protect the user from wrist pains. Its durability is guaranteed with a 10-year warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bayou Fitness Adjustable Dumbbells. This type of dumbbell is well stored in a casing of steel and chrome that is durable. This set of dumbbell has a combined weight of 50 pounds. Each of them has an equal weight of 25 pounds. Compared to the Weider dumbbell, the Bayou has double the weight of the Eider dumbbell including the scale of its adjustments. One can adjust a single Bayou dumbbell starting from 5 pounds up to 25 pounds. The increment rate stands at 5 pounds. These dumbbells are designed with the aim of saving on space. It is very easy to set them up, and they are ready for use in just a few seconds. They are also available on Amazon and has garnered positive reviews from users. However, these dumbbells are not suitable for all users. Fitness beginners find them heavy and would rather start with lighter dumbbells. Even though they have a 5-pound increment rate of adjustment, it is hard for a beginner to fully utilize this dumbbell owing to its weight. They are not flexible in terms of multi-use, for instance not be used as jogging equipment by beginners. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.